Want an iPhone-style depth effect wallpaper on your Galaxy phone without installing any third-party apps? The good news is that Samsung already gives you the tools you need to create this effect yourself, and the setup is surprisingly simple. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Before getting started, make sure you have two things ready. First, save the wallpaper you want to use in your gallery. Second, create a cutout of the main subject from that wallpaper and save it as a separate image. To do this, open the gallery and choose your wallpaper. Press and hold on the main subject until Samsung automatically detects it. Once selected, save the extracted subject as a separate image. Now that you have both the original wallpaper and the cutout image, it's time to set everything up. Press and hold on your lock screen to enter the customization menu. Select wallpaper and choose the image you want to use. Once the wallpaper is applied, you'll need Samsung's LockStar module from Good Lock. If LockStar isn't installed on your device, open Good Lock and install it first. After launching LockStar, go to the App Widgets section. Scroll down until you find the Gallery widget and add it to your lock screen. Tap the widget, open its settings, and choose the image source. Here, select the cutout image you saved earlier. Once the image appears on the lock screen, resize and position it directly over the original subject in the wallpaper. Take your time with this step because proper alignment is what creates the illusion. When done correctly, it will look like a single image rather than two separate layers. Next, adjust the clock position. Move it behind the subject and increase its size if needed. You can also experiment with different clock styles and colors to match your wallpaper. After saving the changes, you'll immediately notice the effect. The subject appears in the foreground while the clock sits behind it, creating a clean and modern depth effect that looks fantastic on Samsung devices. There's one important thing to remember. Avoid placing the gallery widget over the fingerprint scanner area. If the widget overlaps the fingerprint sensor, tapping to unlock the phone may open the widget instead of taking you directly to the home screen. Let's try another wallpaper. Simply repeat the same process. Extract the subject, save it as a separate image, replace the wallpaper, and update the gallery widget with the new cutout. Reposition everything, move the clock behind the subject, and you're done. The final result looks incredibly polished and gives your lock screen a unique appearance without requiring any paid applications. While there are dedicated depth effect apps available, many of them lock their best features behind subscriptions. This method is completely free and uses Samsung's own customization tools. Let me know in the comments what you think of this setup and whether you'll be trying it on your Galaxy phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Samsung tips, tricks, and customization tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.